I'd like to introduce you to the Extended Access Program from Autodesk. So there's a link within the slide, and we'll put a link in the chat. So there is a Extended Access Program for our cloud products. Amongst them is Fusion Team, which we'll be talking about today, but also BIM 360 Docs, BIM 360 Design, Fusion 360, AutoCAD Web and Mobile, and Shotgun. Now, this extended access is available for commercial use to new customers and even to existing customers that might have other applications. And this is not a goal to convert paid people into paid users. This is to assist you in working from home with some cloud products that maybe you've not taken advantage before or taken a look at. So I'd encourage you to go and take a look at what's out there for you as you can start to collaborate as you are working remotely with some new products, cloud products, and continue to get your work done.